Very good morning. Today we will study digital electronics course. In that we will study the logic gates. The contents of the video are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Here this NAND gate and NOR gate are universal gates. Why they are called universal gate we will see in the upcoming slides. So AND gate. This is the symbol for AND gate. This is the truth table for AND gate. Logic equation is C is equal to A into B, where C is output variable, A and B are input variables, and this multiplication operator is nothing but this is the multiplication operator for AND gate. Now in the truth table, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, output C is equal to 0, and when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, output is 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, output is 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, output is 1. In short, we say that when both the inputs are 1, output is 1. The output of AND gate is product of two inputs. OR gate. This is the symbol for OR gate. This is the truth table for OR gate. Logic equation is C is equal to A plus B, where C is equal to output variables, A and B are input variables, and this one shows the Boolean operator for OR gate. So in the truth table, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, output is 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, output is 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, output is 1. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, output is 1. In short, we say that when both the inputs are 0, output is 0. When any one of the input is 1, output is 1. The output of OR gate is sum of two inputs. NOT gate. This is the symbol for NOT gate. This is the truth table for NOT gate, and logic equation is B is equal to A transpose. When input is 1, output is 0. When input is 0, output is 1. NAND gate. It is called as universal gate. Truth table is shown here. This is the symbol and this is the logic equation. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, output of NAND gate is 1. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, output of NAND gate is 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, output of NAND gate is 1. When x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, output of NAND gate is 0. By seeing this truth table, we say that NAND gate plays the exactly opposite role of AND gate. That means when both the inputs are 1, output is 0. We are seeing here NAND gate is exactly opposite to AND gate. NOR gate. It is also a universal gate. Here, this is the truth table. These are the two inputs and this is the output. So this is the symbol for NOR gate and this is the logic equation. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, output of NOR gate is 1. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, output of NOR gate is 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, output of NOR gate is 0. When x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, output of NOR gate is 0. That means it plays exactly opposite role of OR gate. When both the inputs are 0, output will be 1. XOR gate. This is the symbol for XOR gate. This is the truth table. This is the Boolean expression. And what happens when B is equal to 0 and A is equal to 0, output is 1. When B is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, output is 0. When B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0, output is 0. When B is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, output is 1. By seeing this truth table, we say that when both the inputs are same, output is 1. And when both the inputs are different, output is 0. So here, this is the XOR gate. This is the logic gate symbol, and this is the truth table. When B is equal to 0, A is equal to 0, output is 0. When B is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, then output is 1. When B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0, output is 1. When B is equal to 1 and A is equal to 1, output is 0. By seeing this truth table, we say that when both the inputs are same, output is 0. When both the inputs are different, output is 1. Now universal gates. NAND and NOR gate. Why these are called universal gate? Because any basic gate can be implemented by using this NAND and NOR gate. First, we will see NAND gate as NOT gate. This is the NAND gate. Both the inputs are tied together, given a single input, that is A. So output of this NAND gate will be A into A whole transpose. When we solve this, we will get A transpose, and here this is the basic inverter. When we give A, we will get A transpose. This and this are equal. NAND gate as AND gate. When the input is given to first NAND gate input, and this is the B to second one, then we are going to get A into B transpose. When this is given as the input to second NAND gate, when both the inputs are tied together, then we are going to get A into B. And this is our normal AND gate. When the inputs are given over here, we are going to get AB. This AB and this AB are equal. In this way, this NAND gate works as AND gate. So NAND gate as OR gate. When A is given to this NAND gate, B is given to this NAND gate, output will be A transpose. Here output will be B transpose. When these two are given as inputs to another NAND gate, we are going to get A transpose into B transpose whole transpose. That is equal to A plus B. And this is our normal OR gate. When we give input A and B over here, we are going to get A plus B. So A plus B, A plus B, same. In this way, this NAND gate works as a OR gate. Next, NOR gate as NOT gate. When the input given as A by tying both the inputs or shorting both the inputs, then we are going to get A plus A whole transpose. When we solve this, we will get A transpose. And this is our normal inverter. A, when we give A, we are going to get A transpose. So these two are equal. NOR gate as OR gate. When A is given over here, B is given over here for the first NOR gate, output will be A plus B whole transpose. When this is given as an input to second NOR gate, we will get A plus B. And this is our simple OR gate. A and B is given over here. A plus B will be the output. This and this are equal. NOR gate as AND gate. When A is given to first NOR gate, B is given to second NOR gate. When these two are given as an input to third NOR gate, then we will get AB. And when this is our normal AND gate, A and B are as input, we will get the output as AB. This AB and this AB are same. In this way, this NOR gate works as AND gate. Now we will see equivalent gates. AND gate is equivalent to an inverted input OR gate. So when A is given over here B is given over here, we will get A into B whole transpose. This is our NAND gate. And when A is inverted and B also inverted to this gate, we are going to get A transpose plus B transpose, that is equal to A into B whole transpose. Next one is an AND gate is equivalent to an inverted input NOR gate. So here A is given over here, B is given over here, that is equal to A into B. So when the inverted A is given to this gate, inverted B is given to this gate, that will be A transpose plus B transpose will be equal to A into B. This AB equal. A NOR gate is equivalent to an inverted input AND gate. So here when we give input as A, input as B over here, then we are going to get A plus B whole transpose as its output. So when the inverted input is given over here and inverted input B is given over here, we are going to get A transpose B transpose equal to A plus B whole transpose. So this A plus B transpose and this is equal. So these are the explanations for equivalent gates. Now we shall stop here. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care of you and your family. Thanks a lot.